So Sylvie Bourassa is the next presenter. So she runs the proteomics platform at the CHU de Québec, which is a research center associated with the Université Laval. And so she's been in charge of this facility for a while, so she probably has a lot to tell us. So Sylvie, go ahead. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes, I would like to thank the CNSP committee for this award. This is really appreciated. I am the lab manager of the CHU de Québec Research Center Proteomics platform, affiliated to Laval University in Quebec City. A bit of my background. I have a PhD in biochemistry from Laval University, working on proteins involved in the transport of sugar in oral bacteria at the School of Dentistry. After my PhD, I began a postdoc with Dr. Guy Poirier at CHU de Québec, working on proteins involved in DNA repair. For this project, I worked with a protein sequencer. So we offered, after the postdoc, we began to offer a protein sequencing service. In 2000, when we purchased our first mass spectrometer, we became the proteomics platform. I have 37 peer-reviewed manuscripts. So my role in the platform is to supervise and manage the research projects. I operate mass spectrometers and perform some troubleshooting. I do consulting with researchers for their experimental design and also for result analysis. I do technology watch and implementation. I give proteomics courses and seminars, and some administrative work. So the proteomics platform is located at the Hospital Center affiliated to Laval University in Quebec City. The platform occupies about 2,000 square feet. We offer proteomics services, so protein identification, protein quantification, and protein characterization by mass spectrometry. It includes sample preparation from various types of samples from different organisms, LC-MS analysis on different instruments with a variety of technology, data analysis with several bioinformatic tools, and we provide at the end a detailed report with statistics. Here are some statistics of our platform. We have 4 mass spectrometers, value of $500,000 to $1.2 million each. We are a cost recovery service, except for the instruments. The analyses are performed by our staff, not by users. We are 5 research professionals and technicians who perform about 3,000 analyses per year for over 350 different customers, coming mainly from the province of Quebec, 75%, 12% from other provinces in Canada, and 13% from other countries. Our work has contributed to the publication of more than 125 papers in the last 5 years. So as a platform, we face a different challenge, many challenges. One of them is the staff recruitment and retention. So it's difficult to recruit experienced staff in proteomics in Quebec City. So in the recent years, we recruited our experienced staff from France. Over the years, our staff unfortunately left for bigger companies who offer better salaries. But the major challenge remains to get grants. So it's difficult to get grants as a platform, and in particular for the purchase of our costly instruments. Even if our services are essential to the success of many individual projects in different areas of science, we don't have a big major project. Technology evolves constantly, and we need to replace instruments every 5 or 7 years to remain competitive. So this is really challenging for us to get grants. One of our success stories, we are proud to say that we are a self-financing platform for more than 20 years. We increased from 1 employee in 2000 to 5 in 2020. We started with 1 mass spectrometer, and we have now 4 mass spectrometers in operation right now. We have worked with 15 different mass spectrometers over the years. We have a competitive price list to attract more customers, and we have a kind of loyalty program for the researcher with a big volume of sample. We offer a personalized approach, and fortunately, we have proteomic contracts with corporate companies, so this is really helpful for the self-financing. We have also customers from other countries, by the word of mouth or via our website. Finally, I'd like to thank my director, Dr. Arnaud Droit, and all my colleagues who also work very hard to make this platform successful. For more information, you can visit our website or you can email us. So thank you very much for your attention, and thank you again for the award.
Oh, congratulations. This is quite impressive again. So does anybody have questions? I know I have a few questions. I mean, just in terms of your financial success, that's pretty impressive considering the number of people and the instruments that you have in the platform. So when you say that you're self-financing, you mean with your cost recovery, you can actually purchase your instruments, your service contracts, and your salaries, or just your salaries and your
Yes.
consumables? Or
Just our salaries and our consumables.
Okay. So your instruments come from like a CFI grant or something like that,
Yes,
and then your service contracts are with the CFI whatever.
The CFI, when the instrument is new, we have like the service contract for
a few years,
warranty for a few years, but now we have to buy the service contract with our revenues.
Okay.
The institute will contribute a little bit, but not for the full
okay.
service complete.
So you do get a little bit of support from the institution, but not a lot.
Not a lot, exactly. So.
Okay.
And for the instrument, and an instrument can cost $1 million. So we
yeah. Oh, great. Anybody else?
I just had a question about your corporate links. Do you have any tips for us as to how to attract and maybe identify first and attract corporate customers?
So I think it's by the website, but also sometimes we work in collaboration with some company, and then the collaboration continue as like more like a fee. It becomes not a collaboration, but we ask them fees more than so. But it's like a long-term project that we had with a certain company in France, and that they send samples every year. So it's really, and since they like the result, and so they come every year after year and so it's very good for us because it's a big project and the revenues are really helpful for.
Yeah. So is that coming mostly through connections of the principal investigators through their collaborative projects?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, great.
So your connection to France is through Arnaud, I guess, or like how do you get these people from France to come here?
Oh, it was even before Arnaud. It was
okay.
It's also, we are in proteomics, but the protein and research, the teams in genomics are also involved. So it's a collaboration with the genomics and proteomics. And it's about 10 years ago that began. So
okay,
10 years ago.
Cool.
Yes.
Well, really nice work. Congratulations again. And if nobody else has questions for Sylvie, I think we can move on to the next presenter.